We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2018 Indian Scout 60 in polished bronze. It's a beautiful motorcycle. These things are so much fun. They're really light. These have the smaller engine than the other Scouts, so it's a great entry-level cruiser. We have these chrome engine guards on here that match the chrome exhaust. We also have the Arrowhead rear brake pedal. These bikes do have adjustable suspension as well. Key is on the side right here. And miles are only 180. Starts right up. Pretty quiet motorcycle, which is really nice. I like the taller handlebars that they have on here. Makes for a really comfortable riding position. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we're open 6 days a week for test rides.